All right, guys, we're back and we have another special G-body. 1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442. The last performance model Oldsmobile made. She has a 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. When the Hearst stoves was discontinued, Oldsmobile wanted to still offer the public a performance-oriented model, so they revived the 442. She came with the L41 suspension package, the beefy 8.5 rear end. This was the only other G-body besides the Grand National to come with that rear end. Unfortunately, the Monte Carlo SS didn't. Around 3,000 were produced in '85, and a little over 4,200 was produced in '86 and '87. '85 and '86 models was built on the Cutlass Align platform, and the '87 model was built on the Cutlass Supreme platform. Driver's side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. The lower doors have minor surface, but it's nothing cancerous, no rot. Knock it down with a wire brush and treat it and forget about it. It's all solid metal. Deck lid in good shape. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good shape. She got power windows, power locks, sport gauges, bucket seats, console, floor mounted shifter. Seats are in good condition. Mileage reads a little over 23,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat in good condition. Package tray. Headliner good. Engine bay nice and clean. She got the 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control. Let's start her up. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. Y'all have a good one.